Hello, my name is Hugo. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play, you can't see that, but how to play You Saved Me by Ryan Ellis. Acoustic guitar. The key we're going to be playing in is going to be key of C. Very easy song. I think the only thing that would be challenging for most people would probably be the strumming pattern, but other than that, it should be pretty easy. So to start off, you need to know these couple of chords. The intro starts with a C, and it also has an F. Okay, now some people play their Fs like this. They bar your index finger. But what I do is I move it to the second to bottom string, and it's easy to play and it sounds pleasant. So yeah, if you don't know how to play the chord, you just gotta use your ring finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. Your pinky is right underneath that, the same fret, 3rd string. Your middle finger is going to be the 4th string down on your 2nd fret, and then your index is going to be the second to last string. Okay, so you can see it. That's your F chord. That's your C chord. C chord is your ring finger here, 3rd fret, 2nd string. And then your middle finger is going to be 2nd fret, 3rd string. And then your index is the second to last on the 1st fret. Right there. Okay, that's your C and your F. So kind of practice transitioning between C and F by moving your finger down. Your middle finger, you move it down one, and you drop your pinky right where the 3rd string's at. Okay, so I'm gonna play the song real quick, and then I'll go into the strumming pattern. So it goes. Into the verse, but so the strumming pattern, it's gonna be down up, down up, down down, down up. Also, another thing to note, I am kind of muting my fingers here by pressing and letting go lightly. So I kind of loosen the pressure on my fingers to get that sound effect, like as if I'm not playing but I am playing, sort of kind of thing. Yeah, you kind of have to, you will hear the notes, and then you'll hear like mute. So on those, I'm going with an up strum. So down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up. So that's what it is. Down, up, 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 down, up. And you could kind of hear it if you really listen to the song. You should be able to hear how the rhythm sounds. And then that's where you switch to your F. I would recommend starting off slow. Oh, my bad. Up, 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 down, up. So that's the part that's a little bit tricky. Up, 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 down, up. So it's very important that you get that up, 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 down, up. It is a little bit complicated, but yeah, just practice it. It takes practice and time to get to master it. But that's how it goes: down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, and then you switch to your F. Again. Into the verse. This heart of mine is so far gone, but you can crash in it with a love so strong. Never thought I would ever feel it. Your love gave me all that I needed. Repeat it twice, that verse, and then so we're gonna go into the chorus now. I'm gonna play it first and then we'll go over it. So it goes, I'm in love, I cannot remember what I was doing before I met you. I've been captivated by the love you gave me. I'm in love, I cannot remember what I was doing before I met you. I've been captivated by the love you gave me. Okay, so for that part, it's gonna start with your C chord. I'm in love, I cannot remember, to your G, what I was doing before I met you, to your A minor. I've been captivated, to your F, by the love you gave me. So, the way you play your G, for this song specifically, I play it just using my ring finger on your 3rd fret, very top string. And my pinky goes at the very bottom. Same fret, 3rd fret, and the very last string. So I'll play it with those two. And the reason why I play it with those two, I don't know if you can see, but it's an easy transition to your A minor. So it's a setup for your A minor. So when it comes to playing guitar, you have to learn how to switch chords quickly. And then your F. You're gonna keep the same strumming pattern in this part as well. I'm in love, I cannot remember what I was doing before I met you. I've been captivated by the love you gave me. And so after that, I go into the verse. We already went over the verse. Same as verse 1. And then for the bridge, it's where it changes. You save me, I will never leave your love, oh no. So yeah, so it's gonna be, you play your C chord, you save me, and then you go to your G, save me, I will never leave your love, F, C, G. So at the end it goes a little, it switches chords quicker. So F, C, G at the end. So, and you save me, I will never leave your love. No. Again, C. 'Cause you save me to your G. Save me, I will never leave your love. Oh no. And that's pretty much the whole song. You could go into the tag, but and the tag is just you were strong and you were mighty, God. F, and then to your C, and to your G. You were strong and you were mighty, God. That's the whole song. So yeah, I hope this was helpful, and keep on worshiping.